Welcome to the presentation of the new multimotor operation function in MOVISUITE version 2.10. This video shows you how to use the new multimotor operation function to take several motors into operation in the same drivetrain. The function can be activated for the following motor types: asynchronous motors, synchronous motors, linear motors. Multimotor operation means that several individual motors of the same type are mechanically coupled without slip or are rigidly coupled and drive one axis together. Rigidly coupled gear motors are used, for example, for lifting applications or, as shown in this picture, for driving a cardan shaft. So-called group drives can consist of motors with different power ratings. These motors are either not coupled at all or are coupled only loosely mechanically and are therefore subject to slip. Loosely coupled group drives can be used for applications such as roller conveyors or gantry cranes. In this picture, several motors are driving the transport rollers of a roller conveyor. The mechanical coupling is subject to slip and is temporary. It is only established by means of the load. Operation with loose coupling is only possible with asynchronous motors. Multimotor operation can be activated in the motor settings when editing the drivetrain. For example, to take several identical asynchronous motors into operation, multimotor operation must be activated via the multimotor operation toggle. Choose between rigid and loose coupling. Also, the number of motors in use can be specified here. This is also visible on the motor tile. A group drive, which means motors without or with loose coupling, is only possible with asynchronous motors. Rigid coupling is available for every type of motor. Some special features must be observed for group drives and loose coupling. These features are explained in more detail in an info message. You can then transfer the changes to the drivetrain. Thank you for your interest in the MOVISUITE engineering software.